memory lane the last few days, I find myself thinking about our My Little Pony customs. And the very first one that we made, our custom Rainbow Dash, that we made right after My Little Pony came out with their first line of Equestria Girls. Since then, they have launched a new line of Equestria Girls. So who's up for a little versus? The 9-inch Equestria Girls was the first time we saw our favorite My Little Pony characters in human form. They had cutie mark tattoos on their faces and feet that reminded me of brats. Most of them had the basic 5 points of articulation, with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. However, there were a couple that had elbows and knees. Then they had sculpted tops and printed details in a variety of different themes. These are cheerleaders. That line inspired me to create my very first reroute custom, Abby Dash. We used Abby from Monster High to recreate our own version of Rainbow Dash. I used party hair that I found at Walmart. I didn't know anything about buying doll hair at the time. I just saw some hair and I was like, hey, let's try this. We repainted her lips to remove the fangs, borrowed an outfit from the Shake It Up dolls. Since we used a Monster High doll, our Rainbow Dash is fully articulated, with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. And she was tall enough to fit most of our dollhouse accessories. I'm a little partial to the 10 to 12-inch doll size. Aw, man! But I'm guessing I'm not alone because the line was rebooted with larger dolls. The Equestria Girls are now 11 inches tall to the top of their ears. These dolls can be found in stores now. They have a suggested retail price of about $10. Which isn't a bad price considering these dolls have the basic 5 points of articulation plus elbows. Love those elbows! However, a knee joint would have been the icing on the cake. But they do have clothes that can be removed, which is awesome. And her cutie mark is on her shirt and not her face. So the question is, which one do we like better? Store-bought Rainbow Dash was very easy. There was no work required other than going to the store. However, our custom Abby Dash was a little more time-consuming. For one, this was my very first reroute, and it actually took me 2 tries to get it right. This is not the best quality hair. I think I paid like 99 cents per color in the party section at Walmart. But she's held up pretty well considering we made this in 2013. After making Abby Dash, we made other characters like Pinky Laura. Her hair has not held up well. It could definitely use some TLC. And I just found our Operetta and Twilight Sparkle mashup. I have moved a few times since making these dolls, and I can't find some of them. Here are our Pinkie Pies side by side, and here are the Twilight Sparkles. I really like how the store-bought Equestria Girls can stand on their own. That is definitely a plus in my book. However, I would have liked more articulation, and the Monster Highs do give us more. But is there a way to get more articulation and possibly make new My Little Pony customs? Absolutely, thanks to Barbie Dreamtopia. With Barbie Dreamtopia, we get dolls with a ton of different hair colors that we can easily swap onto a made-to-move body. So there is no rerouting, and we get tons of articulation. Now, they won't have the multicolored skin tones, but we would get to see what the Equestria Girls would look like if they were human. Let's use this mermaid for Pinkie Pie. The hair color is off just a little. It's kind of light like Fluttershy, but I love her smile. She is a match for the yellow top made-to-move Barbie. We can use this purple mermaid for Twilight Sparkle. Finding purple hair with pink highlights? Yeah, that'll do. However, I don't have a Dreamtopia doll for Rainbow Dash, but I do have Rainbow Sparkle Hair Barbie. Her hair has a lot of different colors, however, it doesn't have that blue like at the front of this one. Instead, it's blonde. But I think this could totally work. Plus, rainbow is in her name, so it was meant to be. Not to mention, she's wearing a rainbow shirt. She matches the pink top Made to Move Barbie. Everyone, say it with me. Off with their heads! The operation was a success. Now let's find her an outfit. We already know that we like this rainbow shirt. Let's pair it with these emoji blue jeans, so we can get a little blue somewhere on her outfit. For our Pinkie Pie, I was thinking Care Bear shirt, but maybe that's too much pink.
Ooh, what about this? It's got a pretty tutu and everything.
That's still pink, Pinkie Pie.
But it's so pretty! It's all sparkly. There is no way you're gonna get me to change out of this dress.
Well, let's just add a white t-shirt to maybe tone it down a little. What do you think? I'm not loving it.
Well, I'm keeping the dress.
What about this skirt instead?
Ooh, gimme!
Much better. And we gave her a blue purse for an extra touch. Twilight Sparkle is wearing a white shirt with a collar, blue high-waisted shorts. I like this cardigan, so let's add that. And a pair of glasses for a scholarly look, giving us 3 new girls to add to our My Little Pony Equestria Girls collection. Say hello to Dreamtopia Pinkie Pie, Dreamtopia Twilight Sparkle, and Rainbow Sparkle Rainbow Dash. The custom Barbie Equestria Girls were so easy to make, just a head swap and a new outfit for a whole new doll. Plus, they have made-to-move bodies. So who's your favorite? 9-inch Equestria Girls, 11-inch Equestria Girls, Equestria Monsters, or Equestria Barbies? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you for joining us for this My Little Pony Equestria Girls Versus. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we'll see you next time. Bye!